Are you tired of making videos but not seeing any results? Here are the best 5 niches which will allow you to make money before 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. The most common way of generating income from YouTube is through ads, which is the most slowest and hardest way. It also takes a lot of time to monetize a channel from scratch. But what if I tell you that these niches have 2 more ways through which you can start generating income before monetization on YouTube? Number 1 on our list is AI niche. Nowadays it has become one of the most successful category with a lot of inventions and advancements. In this niche you can promote latest AI softwares, gadgets, avatars or anything related to AI and promote them in your description and make money through affiliate marketing. For example, take this channel AI Guy. He makes videos on how to use different softwares for creating content and how to grow on YouTube. Now he can promote many softwares, for example 11 Labs or vidIQ etc., and can make additional money. The crazy part is that he doesn't even show his face or use his own voice in the videos. The second niche on our list is tutorial. In this category you can make guides or tutorials on anything. For example, you can make tutorial on how to use different computer apps or softwares. Deadbusters is a perfect example for this. He makes tutorials on how to use different softwares and he is able to make a ton of money because he promotes all the softwares in his description which he mentions in the videos. Let's move on to another big niche, which is health, and one of the channel in this niche is natural cures. In this you can make additional money by promoting a large variety of products, for example skincare products or any product which can help in weight loss or weight gain etc. You just have to mention a product in your description which can solve the problem of your viewer mentioned in your video. Health niche is one of the best niche because it has a ton of products which you can sell and can make money from. Now let's jump into another niche, which is wealth or finance. The channel you are watching right now falls into this category. Wealth/finance niche focuses on creating content related to personal finance, investing, and wealth building. In this category you can give financial tips, investment strategies, market analysis, personal finance advice etc. The last niche on our list is travel niche. In this niche you can make guides on different places on Earth. Channels like Before You Go and Turopia are example of this. For this niche you can promote anything related to flight or hotels. You can even make a full digital program in which you can teach others how to travel in less money, or the best places to visit in certain locations. Now all these niches I have just mentioned in the video are the niches in which people have problems in, and you can offer a solution to their problems by promoting products from DG Store 24 or clickbank.com in your video's description, and when someone buy from your description you will get a commission from that sale. In this way you can start making money before monetizing your channel on YouTube, and also all these niches can be fully automated by AI and doesn't require you to show your face or voice. Soon I will make full online course on how to make money from faceless YouTube channels before monetization. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe.